If you want to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos, then you should download Canva. I also use Canva to make my thumbnail. Down there we can see our recent project, the recent thumbnail that we just made. I have made so many of them just for you guys. Here we can see so many features, but we want to make YouTube thumbnail. So click on YouTube thumbnail to get started. Here you'll get an empty page for you to make thumbnail in. It's loading right now. Now it's loaded, and here you can customize your YouTube thumbnail. From design, you can add various things. For example, if you have a gaming channel, you can add things related to it. But this one is premium, and only premium users can use premium things. There are free things too. From Magic Media, you can add various things that you imagine. For that, just describe what you want in more than 5 letters. For example, if you have a gaming channel, then you can search something related to it for your thumbnail, like gaming logo. It is loading right now, and until it loads, let's see how to add letters in your thumbnail. For that, go to text. Click on add a text box and write your text. For example, I want to write my channel name, that is Cheyenne Taken. You can add various types of text like this. As you can see below, add a text box, you see Magic Write. Add a heading, add a subheading. Add a little bit of body text, but the most important one is add a text box. Here you can see I am changing the font size of my channel name, and I will leave that as 100 font size. You can change the font size by choosing onto the font size recommendation, or by writing the number yourself. You can choose where to leave the text by dragging it like this. Magic Media has loaded the results for gaming logo. And I think this one looks good, so I will drag this from there to the thumbnail. It is loading there right now, and now it's loaded, so we can make it smaller or larger like this and change its location. If you want to change the image, then you click on the image, and then you can make the corners circular from 1 to 100 like this. It's currently lagging, so let's wait a few seconds. It's now not lagging, so let me tell you about how to edit the text. For editing the text, you can click on the icons above and bold it, tilt it a little bit to left, underline it, change the font size, and change its color. For example, I want it to be purple, so I click on the purple color. You can see things that you have uploaded before in Canva for some different work in the Upload menu. I have once before uploaded my channel logo in Canva, so I can see it here. I have once before uploaded Focus to do logo here too, so I can see it here. By the way, if you haven't seen my video that is how to use Focus to do full guide, then you can watch it after this video if you use Focus to do or want a good productivity app. Because I also use Focus to do for my study. You can see your previous projects in projects. And if you want an easier way, then you can click on Home and go to Templates. Here you can search for various templates. For example, if you have a gaming channel, then you can search for things related to it like gaming logo. Here you will get premium templates along with free ones. This one is premium, so I cannot get it. This one is free, so I can use this for free. as I will open it, it will start opening, and then we can edit it. In this way, you have to do 50% work, and 50% work is already completed. For example, you do not want this controller in your thumbnail. Instead, you want a gaming logo, so you can remove the controller from there and add a gaming logo from Magic Media. It's now loading, so let me tell you something else. If I want my channel logo there, then I can drag it to the circle and rescale it so it fits there